start, lots of grip out there. Here we go, turn marshals, pay attention, good luck drivers, we're going on the sound of the tone. All right, here we go. That was our cleanest first turn we've had today so far. Not on the track. Watch it over here by the finish line. Go low through the speaker, low through the speaker. All clear. Give and take, give and take. Kevin's going to the top three. We're going to have to report back to Ken after this one. Kevin's holding number one. Derek Butterfield now. Matthew Alvarado. So Jenda was in second. Jenda losing 2 spots on that lap. And now it'll be Derek Butterfield on the end over here. I'm sorry. That's what we are doing. This is the 75 team. So Butterfield from the 8th qualifying spot all the way up to second in that red and white. Alvarado on third, Jenda in fourth, and Jay Burke rounding out the top 5. Ken running 6th after a run over 5. We were about 7th out of every 8, Ryan running 9, and held on the 10th spot. A good battle going towards the back straightaway with the second, down that middle, all the way to the inside. Now setting his sights on Butterfield. So through the switchback to the center. To 8, 5, and 2 on the front side middle. Battle for second. Meanwhile, leader coming up on the green front on that lead off. And you can be careful doing what we're doing last with our leader. Oh, and Jenda takes the tumble. So halfway on this one. Be careful, green truck, either right in front of you, green truck. So Kevin's in bar leader, looks like he's got second, looks like Matthew Alvarado is on second. And Butterfield in the third spot, fourth spot now going to belong to Jen. Jen making her way all the way up to fourth. James Burke in the fifth spot. Jen dropped all the way to sixth now. Rudy Rosales, Caballero in the seventh. Rosales, Mike, and Nelson. So Butterfield now up on the right. So Brian White, White is second. Jen now looking at the top 3. Oh! Butterfield hit the pipe. Jen rolls it over. Challenge for third right there. It was staying on that right side triple. So Butterfield will hold on to it. Here comes Jay Burke now. So Jay Burke now right behind Butterfield for a top 3. We're coming up on the white truck. That is Rudy Rosales. Battle for third. Battle for third. Here we go. Here comes Jen. And Jenda. 4 down, 1 minute to go. Battle for the third spot. And Butterfield and Lathrop going over the backside triple. The red, white, and the pink truck. Then the inside going to take over third right there. And down the back triple. She looks the pipe. Butterfield trying to take her on the high side. 30 seconds remaining. Jenda's right behind our leader. Our leader for the lap on 6th place, Jenda. So only the top 5 remain on the lead lap. Jenda will go over there and do part 2. With 20 seconds to go. They should make it back for this one and one more. At least that battle for third. So it's Smith your leader, Alvarado in second, Butterfield in third, Dave in fourth. Oh, and Butterfield takes a couple of these two spots. Murphy going to go up to third. Will he make it by? He does. And Jen got caught at the line, unfortunately, when they flat one. This is by a 10. Finish the lap on, finish the lap on. Go back 7 more to finish, top 3 to 10, top 3 to 10. And that's going to do it. So it'll be Smith, Alvarado, and Murphy on your those 3 to 10. 1, 2.